Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Why are thousands of animals leaving the active supervolcano? Thousands of Yellowstone native species are moving away from the active supervolcano. Yellowstone volcano will erupt again, scientists are certain, and the U.S. Geological Survey has now revealed when the next megablast will go off. Yellowstone volcano is estimated to have last erupted 640,000, 1.2 million and 2.1 million years ago. The world's attention is now focused on when the supervolcano in the northwest United States will go off again.
The effects could last for years.
Recovery is going to be a long process.
Any signs of imminent eruption will be preceded by earthquakes, ground uplift and unusual volcanic activity. But the USGS has looked back at the history of past Yellowstone eruptions to predict when the supervolcano will erupt again.
No.
Millions of people could die from starvation related directly to the ashfall in America's Midwest. Countless more would suffer as the ash cloud drifts across the globe, dramatically changing our climate.
There are no signs of Yellowstone acting out of the normal at the moment. In the distant future, however, the risk of the volcano erupting again increases.
The Toba eruption suggests that ash particles would remain in the atmosphere for 6 years, radically cooling the planet. It could mean snow in June, frost in August, and the killing off of crops for years to come.
Imagine 6 years without a growing season.
At Yellowstone, despite its remote location, a giant eruption could put thousands of lives at risk.
Remember, we have, maybe 100,000 people per night staying in the Yellowstone Teton system in the summer.
At Yellowstone, we may be on the edge of a precipice. And the question is not if it will erupt, but how and when.
Nothing you can do about a volcano. If it's going to go off, it's going to go off. And the effects on civilization are going to be drastic.
There's an average 740,000-year interval in between Yellowstone's major caldera-forming eruptions. The time frame gives geologists a good idea when Yellowstone might pop again 100,000 to 140,000 years into the future. The USGS scientist pointed out Yellowstone's last super eruption suggests the supervolcano will remain dormant for a long time. But should it erupt again, Yellowstone volcano will likely produce incredible amounts of lava and ash.
For 70,000 years, the Yellowstone volcano has remained quiet. But sooner or later, its magma chamber will slowly fill with millions of tons of molten rock. Gas pressures will push up toward the surface, bringing the volcano to the breaking point.
This is one of the rules of geology that happened in the past that'll happen again in the future. We know there's going to be super eruptions, and probably one at Yellowstone, and it's going to have catastrophic effects.
We're not seeing any signs presently that Yellowstone is doing anything different than it has. We've had lots of indications that all of the seismic swarms have been happening since we've been monitoring, and it hasn't erupted yet, so we don't expect that it will erupt anytime soon.
We may not be able to prevent an eruption, but when the molten rock begins to move up toward the surface, will all the scientific data warn us in time? Now, using historical records, scientific models, and the latest in computer technology, you will witness the devastation that follows when the giant volcano of Yellowstone erupts.
If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, then leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in the next video.